name is Ralf Jauch. I'm originally from Germany. I'm a biochemist in stem cell biology. In my laboratory, we try to develop new types of stem cells that we can use to study aging, age-associated diseases, and also try to use these cells to develop cures. First half of my life, I really spent entirely in Europe, mostly in Germany. So I started my first postdoctoral position in Singapore. And then to have my first independent position as a principal investigator, I moved to Guangzhou. After finishing a 5-year contract over there, I moved here to HKUMed. If I compare the three, I would say Hong Kong suits me best. It's very accessible, very convenient, efficient in many ways. It's easy to ship biological reagents in and out, which makes our globally connected research activity quite easy and convenient. I would say Hong Kong has a lot more to offer. It has countrysides, it has islands, it has beaches. So when you're starting as a new investigator at HKUMed, you're of course provided by a generous starter package. But the best part of it, you will have to spend only very little to equip your laboratory with research infrastructure. It's there, it's already there. This is because our faculty provide excellent core facilities. We have facilities for imaging, for microscopy, for the analysis of cells, and a very excellent animal facility and facilities for sequencing and the analysis of proteins, and very soon also a cryo-EM facility. All this together really allows you to do your work, don't need to wait for a long time to build the research infrastructure. And on top of that, the department also provides a lot of the very basic needs a biomedical researcher has free of charge, essentially. So as a Hong Kong-based PI, we are actually invited to directly apply for funding opportunities in mainland China. We are eligible for many of the major funding bodies in mainland China, which is a big advantage. And at the same time, we have access to all the talent over there. So the proximity to mainland China is a big plus, both to enable collaborations in a very personal manner, but also to exchange talent. Another big advantage is the amazing research facilities and service providers in mainland China that we can use both to perform experiments in mainland China. Our universities actually has a hospital in Shenzhen, but also to outsource some of our analysis. We take regularly advantage of this proximity and the efficiency of the service providers in mainland China. So until now, research here in Hong Kong has been very much university-based. But in the recent years, government has decided to really promote translational research. I'm lucky to be a member of one of such an initiative, which is the Center for Translational Stem Cell Biology. Over there, we want to make new kinds of stem cells and use these stem cells to analyze, study, and eventually cure human diseases. And this center really has the goal to make patents and also to create spin-off companies. Well, Hong Kong is a major financial center. There are already a lot of these venture capitalists talking to us, having interest to learn about how we want to use stem cell technologies to develop biotech startups and spin-off companies. Here at HKUMed, and specifically at the School of Biomedical Sciences where I'm working, people both at the senior, at the peer, and at the junior level are really fun to interact with. We have lots of collaborative projects. We mentor our students together. We help each other with experiments. HKUMed is an ambitious place, but at the same time, it's very easy to find support, collaborators, colleagues that share reagents or advice. So overall, I think the collegiality and the collaborative spirit is excellent. To distill my experience at HKUMed is a very proud and ambitious institution, but at the same time I found it to be very supportive, even caring, and it gives you all the freedom and the resources to do well.